Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see, I've got the grid lines which are here applied, and I turned them off before starting this video in order to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to reset camera settings, we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and here we've got restore to default, so simply tap on it, and if you're ready, tap on restore to defaults again. Actually, nothing happened, but let's take a look at this grid option. It is turned off, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that the helper lines simply disappeared. So it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.